morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am a grade 5 social studies teacher children. Now see beta, today we are going to do block 16. Eclipse and seasons. What is our block 16 children? Eclipse and seasons. In block 16 we are going to learn about what are eclipse and what are seasons. Today our topic is S1 eclipse. What do you mean by eclipse? Eclipse is nothing but a shadow. What happened to the shadow when sun, earth and moon are in a straight line? Then what happened? The shadow of the earth, the shadow of the sun falls on the earth and it is blocking the way of moon. No? So what happened? Due to this, when the three sun, moon and earth are in same line, the eclipse will occur. This is known as eclipse. So today we are going to see there are two types of eclipse, lunar and solar. Lunar means moon, solar means sun. Now see here children. See children here. Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. First we will read about lunar eclipse. See, when the earth comes between the moon and the sun, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. See what is coming here in the middle? Sun, earth and moon. What is coming in the middle? Earth is coming in the middle. This causes lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse can occur on a full moon night. When this lunar eclipse will occur, it will occur in a full moon night. Full moon means what? You will call it as Purnima, no? So in that time of full moon, this lunar eclipses occur. What will happen? The earth is blocking the light of the sun. So what will happen? The moon will not receive the light. And you know moon does not have its own light children. Children, next is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse. Solar means sun children. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, the sky becomes dark because the moon blocks the sunlight from reaching the earth. This is called solar eclipse. See what happened here children. Sun, moon and earth is here. What is blocking here? The moon is blocking the light of the sun. So what happened to the earth? It does not receive any sunlight. So it will be dark for only few minutes children. Okay, like this solar eclipse are formed children. And what do you mean by this orbit of the moon? Where the moon revolves. Orbit of the earth, where the earth revolves. What do you mean by this penumbra and umbra? It is nothing but the shadow. Okay, now see here, a total solar eclipse happens when the sunlight is completely blocked by the moon. When the solar eclipse will happen children? When the total light of the earth is blocked by the moon children. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the sunlight is blocked partially. Partial solar eclipse means what children? Some half solar eclipse. When it will happen? When a little sun rays is blocked by the moon children. Okay, partial solar eclipse and total solar eclipse. Okay, these are the eclipse children. Now see children, now you can see here two type of eclipse. First one is lunar, second one is solar. Lunar means moon, it is also known as Chandra Grahan. Solar means sun, it is also known as Surya Grahan children. Lunar means moon, it is known as Chandra Grahan. Solar means sun, it is known as Surya Grahan children. See here, first we have studied about lunar eclipse. In this lunar eclipse, earth is blocking the light of the moon and they all are in a same straight line. In solar eclipse, moon is blocking the light of earth and three are in the same line children. And this lunar eclipse occur when there is Purnima, when there is a full moon. What you can see in this, what is common in this both children? Three are in same line and they are stopping the light of sun children. What is stopping here in lunar? Earth is stopping in the middle. Earth is blocking the way of light, sunlight, which is passing through the moon. and in solar eclipse the moon is stopping the light of sun to pass to the earth, children. Okay, this is common in both, and Pendra and Umbra is nothing but a shadow. Okay, and full moon, on full moon only lunar eclipse are occur. Solar eclipse, what do you mean by partial solar eclipse? When there is a little solar eclipse, children. Okay, hope you all understood. Thank you. Now take out your workbook, children. You have seen, I have explained you in our blackboard, on the blackboard, sorry. Now see beta, I have read this, children. You read once. These are lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, which you should do in your workbook. Now see, take out your workbook and write today's date 28-12-2020 S1 eclipse. Draw how the moon, the earth and the sun are placed during a lunar eclipse. Label the diagram. It is there in your reader. First you should draw lunar eclipse. Then like this solar eclipse. Draw how the moon, the earth and the sun are placed during the solar eclipse and label the diagram. Lunar, solar. Third one. Write how particular and total solar eclipse occur, children. So this answer you should write like this. See here. A total solar eclipse happens when the sunlight is completely blocked by the moon. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the sunlight is blocked by the partially. For example, see here. This is a total solar eclipse. Partial means half it is covered, children. Okay. Hope you all understood beta how to write it. Write today's date and complete this, children. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.